When she comes floating down from the sky, have you noticed her maker's eye? They glisten with an age-old joy, and like a quiet whisper says, "Aye ma, ghore aye." And as she drifts through the air homeward bound, amidst much fanfare and 1,000 sounds, have you stopped to notice the quiet grace in her feeble charioteer's eager face? With a vigor that nothing can destroy, he'll cry, "Bolo Durga Mai ki joy." Are dada, aste kore bolle ki ar hoy? As the feet tap and hands are held high, a happy daze shrouds every eye. You will see the beat just never stops, and while shoulders may droop, the rhythm never drops. Well, who can keep track of these passing hours, when all the heart knows is, "Hey kota din to aar." Then soon enough the days fly by. Just as she'd come, she waves goodbye. And if you look at those eyes from close, you'll be sure to spot the tears in those. And then you'll know she can never be too far, as thousands whisper, "Asche bochor, আবার এসো মা।"